right now we are at Letro Homestay here at Sangti Valley in Arunachal Pradesh. We basically started our journey from Kolkata to Guwahati. We took a flight till Guwahati, and from Guwahati till here, it took us approximately 10 hours by road. Needless to say, it was a pretty hectic journey, but the minute we reached here, the tranquility of this place literally took all of that fatigue away. We wonderfully spent the evening over a bonfire, chatting amongst our group, bonding, making memories. And we spent the night in these wonderful tents that we see right here. The Sangti river flows right by the side, and the whole ambience of this place is magical. This morning, the weather is pretty ambient, and we're just about to commence our trek. So we would be headed towards Lagam village today, and we anticipate it's going to be about a 4 to 5 hours stretch. So we're excited.
हेलो नमस्कार एवरीवन, मेरा नाम नामगे खंडू है। तो मैं यहाँ पे सांगती विलेज जो कि अरुणाचल प्रदेश का एक वेस्ट कामेंग डिस्ट्रिक्ट के अंदर दिरांग सर्कल के अंदर पे एक छोटा सा वैली है, सांगती वैली। तो यहाँ पे मैं एक छोटा सा होम स्टे रन करता हूँ जिसका नाम है लेट्रो होम स्टे।
We are on our way to Thembang Heritage Village. We started from Sangti Valley, and we are fortunate enough to get a pickup truck, and we are enjoying a lot sitting in the back of the pickup truck.
Right now at the Thembang village. This practically dates back to the 1st century AD and is believed to be one of the most ancient villages in this region. Interestingly, it is known that there once was an epidemic because of which near about 90% of the population of this entire village got wiped out, and the residual villagers had to move out at a vicinity somewhere around. So there's a lot of folklore related to this place, which makes this place very interesting to visit.
ये थेम्बांग विलेज का बहुत पुराना गेट है ये, इसका तो 200-300 साल का है ये। ये सर हम लोग का ये मिट्टी पाँव से गूंद के सर, पाँव से मीन गूंद के उसके बाद पाथर रखता है फर्स्ट, उसका ऊपर मिट्टी लगाता है, फिर उसके ऊपर में पाथर लगता है सर।
A rather interesting twist in the narrative, so we've practically lost our way. We were headed towards Lagam, but since this route is not that well known, even the guides do not know where to take us, even they've lost their way. So we are changing our plans for the day. We are not going to Lagam. We are instead headed towards Singma and we'll stay there for the night. And tomorrow we have a pretty long stretch to cover. In that case, we'll be going to Lagam and then to Chandir. So let's see how it goes.
After a steep ascent, we have reached the village of Lagam. We are here interacting with the locals and enjoying ourselves. We have a beautiful scenery around, and this is the village that we are presently in. And I guess we will have to go almost another kilometer uphill, and then we'll have a flat road.
The village of Lagam, which is a really beautiful place. In fact, it is so beautiful we do not want to leave this place. If this was our campsite, we would have been very, very happy. But the journey is set, so we are going to make our way towards Chandar. The road will begin with a little bit of a stretch which is steep, but then it will gradually go in a much more flatter way. So let's hope we'll make our way quickly. From Lagam, that village was wonderful, beautiful and mystical. But the journey so far has been no less mystical either. The route we took from Lagam was rather steep. We made our way through forest, in fact very dense forest, and it was a really arduous journey. But now we are at a point where the motorable route is in sight, and around us, as you can see, there is a different sort of feeling because we are one with the clouds. So we were making our way through the motorable road and we are moving towards Chandar, but we are stuck at this point because there is no more road. In fact, they are trying to make way for us, and after that only can we just move on and reach our destination for the day.
This is basically a beautiful morning here at Chandir. Yesterday we had a pretty hectic trail. It was a very long stretch that we covered, and naturally we were really tired. We had a great sleep though, and right now we are headed towards Khalibog. This is going to be our last stretch of this trail, and we're all excited. Let us make the most of this last stretch.
Kalibag, a beautiful settlement that marked the end of our trek. It was the day of Holi, the vibrant festival of colors, and also the last day of Losar, a festival of the Buddhists.
Happy Holi. Happy Losar actually. Mix करते हैं. Happy Holi.
We enjoyed our final hours in Arunachal Pradesh, celebrating with the locals of this remotest part of India.